Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the insert name here waiver tool, and I'm gonna let you know if it is worth the hype. This tool has been getting such a hype, and I really wanted to see, is it worth the hype? Now, I want to be honest with you, this was sent to me, but I am not getting paid to do this video. And just so you know, I'm always going to keep it 100% no matter what. So I wanted to give you guys a review on the waiver, and I'm going to be demonstrating how it works on my hair and letting you guys know if it is worth the hype. I'm gonna get right into it, but before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. I do post 3 to 5 days a week, so I would love to have you. And do not forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will always notify you whenever I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is how it looks, like that. It says the waiver, insert name here. And this was for $79.99. And just so you guys know, I also have a coupon code for this. So if you use coupon Fibi, F-I-B-I, you will get 15% off site-wide. I'm not getting paid for you to use my code, but if you want to save some money, use the code, and you will save 15%. Anyways, it looks like this, like I said, and it opens up like this. It comes with a glove, which honestly I'm not going to use because I never use the glove. I don't know why, but I don't. But you could. If you're afraid of getting burned, you can always use the glove. This is how the tool looks. I'm going to be honest with you. The tool looks really intriguing, really cool. It's different. I haven't seen anything like this. And supposedly it does literally what it says it does. It creates waves. So this you cannot do like curls. You can only do waves, kind of like beach waves. So I am very curious to see how this works. So I'm going to plug this in. Then I'm going to start doing my hair. So let me find an outlet. I already put in the outlet. How you turn it on is basically press the button. And if you want the heat to go up, you want to press this one right here. And you want to press it up all the way till it says 450. Now, if you don't need that amount of heat, you obviously can put it down to 390 or 400. I always do it at 450 because I like to get it done fast. So I'm gonna wait a bit. It should take just a few minutes, and then we are gonna get right into this waiver. I'm very, very curious to see how it works, guys. I love hot tools, even though I don't use them quite often, just because I don't like to apply heat to my hair too much. But what's so cool about this is that this prevents heat damage because it has the tourmaline plated. So it's tourmaline plated. And another thing, guys, that I noticed is that the cord swivels any way you want it to go, which is pretty cool because that way the cord will not get tangled up and it won't get stuck. I hate when hot tools do that. So that is pretty smart for them to do that. Before we begin, I'm gonna brush out my hair quick. I always recommend that you brush out your hair right before you use a heating tool. You want to make sure that you get all those kinks out. So now that we are at 450, hopefully you guys can see that, we are going to start waving our hair. So I'm gonna start on this side first. And how I like to use this is I like to start kind of right here. I notice waves don't look good if I do it from the tip of my hair. It just looks kind of funny. Maybe to you it won't, but to me it does. So I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna keep it in for about 10 seconds each, and we're gonna keep going down. So basically you just put it like so. Really, really easy. And I like to use this all the way to the bottom of my hair. I don't like to leave the bottoms like undone, if you know what I mean. So I do like to use it all the way to the end. So here's the first one. I gotta say, I'm loving it. That looks gorgeous. I am very excited to see how it's gonna look when it's done. Just be careful, guys, to not burn yourselves. I am not using a mirror right now. I'm actually using the camera. as my mirror, so that maybe is not a great idea to do. But just as a tip, make sure that you are very careful because this thing is extremely hot. I do feel the heat next to my ears. You definitely don't want to burn yourself. So that is it. Here is the finished product. This is how it looks after I applied it, after I used it. And I have to say, guys, I am in love with my hair. Now, I only used it from here on down. I don't like my hair wavy from the top. I like it the way it is. I like it straight and wavy, but of course you can do it from all the way to the top and going down to the bottom. But I did it like this. I actually really love it. I'm very impressed. I have to say, guys, I am impressed. I love this. I love playing around with different hair tools and trying out new techniques. So this one is really awesome. I am 100% satisfied with this. Definitely going to be using it more often. I know my oldest daughter is going to be using this as well because my daughter's at that stage where she just likes to play with her hair and try new things. So this is really amazing, guys. If you have been thinking of purchasing this but you're just not sure, I would definitely recommend that you pick it up because I love it. It's like an A+. So here is how it looks, guys, and it definitely gives you like beachy waves. It doesn't give me curls, obviously, because this is a waver, and it does what it says it does. So hopefully you guys can see that. Look how beautiful it looks. I absolutely love it, and I love the fact that it makes my hair looks more voluminous. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.